If you're thinking about buying the Silicon Power Superior microSD card for your camera, phone, or gaming device, stick around because I'm about to reveal some critical problems that could seriously impact your experience. But here's what surprised me. Despite its glowing 4.4-star Amazon rating and promises of blazing fast speeds and rugged durability, this card has some surprising compatibility issues and performance quirks that don't get talked about enough. In fact, what was meant to be a game changer in memory storage might not be the straightforward upgrade you expect, especially if you're a Nintendo Switch 2 user or someone needing reliable 4K video support. Let me break down the surprising truths before you click buy. So, if you've ever faced frustrating slowdowns, mysterious compatibility errors, or worries about data safety while on the go, this review is tailor-made for you. Ready to dive in? Stay tuned because what you'll learn might just save you from a future headache. First, let's explore exactly what Silicon Power claims and what it actually delivers. The Superior Pro microSD series from Silicon Power positions itself as an ultimate choice for tech lovers, gamers, vloggers, photographers, and anyone wanting extra storage on their devices. It boasts UHS 1 specs promising fast transfer speeds, claiming it will slash your data transferring time and keep your 4K video recording smooth without annoying lag or dropouts. At a price point around $35 for the 128GB model, it looks like a solid deal. On top of that, it's built rugged, waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof from -40 OC to 85 OC, and even X-ray proof, perfect if you travel a lot or do outdoor adventures. Seems ideal, right? So why does this card get a mixed bag of reviews and a handful of complaints that could make you reconsider? Here's where things get complicated and interesting. First off, let's talk about compatibility. Silicon Power clearly states the Superior microSD is not compatible with the Nintendo Switch 2 for game storage or save data. This is a crucial detail that often gets buried. If you plug this card into Switch 2, you may only get basic functions like storing screenshots and videos, but you cannot install games or access save files. For Switch gamers, this is a deal-breaker. It's like buying a fancy pizza cutter, but finding out it can't slice through pizza. Frustrating and confusing for sure. But wait, this limitation isn't from a lack of hardware capability alone. The microSD Express format, which the Switch 2 uses, is something this card doesn't support. So, if you're eyeing this card for your upgraded gaming rig, pause and reconsider. Second, let's tackle the speed claims. The card's UHS 1 rating supports theoretical fast read-write speeds up to 100 MBs. However, real-world tests and user reviews find speeds ranging between 60 to 80 MBs, which can be underwhelming for serious users who demand the maximum performance, especially for 4K video recording. Some testers reported dropped frames and buffering issues while recording high bitrate videos on action cameras or drones. So if you're a content creator who needs ultra-reliable, lag-free recording, this might slow down your workflow more than help it. It's a bit like ordering a sports car and getting a sedan with a turbo sticker, flashy on paper but average on the road. Now, before you think the card's rugged waterproof and shockproof features make it invincible, think again. The card is designed to survive extreme conditions theoretically, including wide temperature ranges and airport X-rays. And yes, it does seem to hold up reasonably well when used outdoors. But some users reported performance drops after long exposure to extreme heat or humidity, especially when used in high-demand devices. Memory cards can degrade, especially when pushed hard, so frequent travelers and outdoor users might want to take extra precautionary steps even with this card. Don't forget, even the best armor can't protect your data if you drop the sword, which brings me to a quick side note. Always back up your data. Still with me? Good, because here comes the twist. Despite these drawbacks, the Silicon Power Superior microSD might still be a smart buy for a more casual user. If you're looking to expand your phone or tablet storage without breaking the bank, or if you need a card for music players, casual Full HD recording, or photography with decent speed, this card delivers decent value for the price. It's not the gold standard of microSD cards, but offers a cost-effective middle ground with modest performance and excellent durability features. So who exactly is this card for? If you're a budget-conscious tech enthusiast, sports camera owner, or someone who doesn't need top-tier transfer speeds but wants reliability, this is an option to consider. On the flip side, if you're a professional videographer or hardcore Nintendo gamer, you should look elsewhere. Let me pause for a quick joke to lighten things up. Why did the microSD card break up with the camera? Because it was tired of all the memory issues. Okay, bad joke, but it highlights the frustration memory card problems bring, especially when you least expect them. To make sure you're getting the most out of your Silicon Power Superior microSD, here are some pro tips. First, pair it with a UHSI-enabled reader and a USB 3.0 port to maximize your transfer speeds. Using slower hardware will bottleneck performance and feel like putting a Ferrari in a parking lot. Second, always format your card in the device you intend to use it in rather than on a PC or Mac. This ensures proper file structure and better compatibility. Third, keep regular backups. Even the toughest cards can fail, and no amount of waterproofing helps after data corruption. Lastly, if you plan to use this in your Switch 2 or other next-gen gaming consoles, do a little more research before buying. You don't want to end up with a pretty yet useless piece of plastic. Now here's a mini suspense builder. Is there a serious competitor that knocks Silicon Power off its pedestal? Absolutely. Brands like SanDisk Extreme and Samsung EVO Plus offer cards with better performance, wider compatibility, and sometimes similar ruggedness, albeit at higher prices. These competitors often include microSD Express versions ready for the Nintendo Switch 2 and professional 4K workflows. But if your budget is tight and you're willing to trade a bit of speed for cost savings, Silicon Power might still fit the bill. So what's the wise move here? Assess your needs first. Don't just go by star ratings or ad copy. Another practical point worth noting is the card's range of storage capacities. The Superior Pro series offers sizes from 64 GB up to a massive 1 TB, which is fantastic for users who need huge libraries of photos, videos, or game data on the go without lugging extra drives. For casual users looking to double or triple their device storage affordably, this is a huge plus. Just be aware that bigger capacity doesn't come with a guaranteed speed boost. Always check the specs for each size or test speeds if possible. Speaking of testing, I ran the card through a couple of benchmarks using a UHSI reader and a USB 3.0 setup. Read speeds hovered around 85 mbs, while write speeds plateaued near 45 mbs under sustained loads. This is fine for everyday tasks, but noticeably slower than flagship cards that push 100 plus mbs write speeds. The slower write speeds can cause lag during burst photo shootings or high bitrate video capture. Clearly something to keep in mind if you shoot fast-action sports or professional gigs. One more joke for the road. Why did the Silicon Power microSD apply for a job? Because it wanted to store some serious data and move up in the world. All right, I'll stop. But with memory cards, a little humor always helps when you're fighting crashes and corrupted files. Okay, so what's the bottom line? Should you buy the Silicon Power Superior microSD? Absolutely, but with caveats. It's a reliable, rugged, and reasonably priced memory card perfect for most casual users looking to expand storage on phones, tablets, cameras, and some gaming devices. Its durability features make it a solid choice for outdoor use, and it supports Full HD and 4K recording, though the speeds may not satisfy power users. Avoid it altogether if you own a Nintendo Switch 2 or if you need ultra-high-speed writes for professional video work. In those cases, spend more on premium cards designed for those exact needs. For everyone else, this card offers a good balance of cost, capacity, and reasonable performance with a reputable brand behind it. Before I let you go, a quick reminder: prices on Amazon can change very quickly, especially if there's demand or deals pop up. So if you're interested in the Silicon Power Superior microSD, check the link in the description below for the latest and best price. Act fast because deals come and go fast, and nothing's worse than missing out on a good offer after you watch a review like this. Whether you end up with this card or a competitor, I hope this honest review helps you make a confident and satisfying purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives and honest reviews that save you time, money, and frustration. Until next time, happy storing, and may all your memory cards be swift and error-free.